Today I am sharing this super easy way to make besan ke laddu. Looks perfect, isn't it? Mixing bowl, we will take besan. Here I have got 200 grams of besan or gram flour, and we will add melted ghee to it. Make sure the ghee is really well melted. I am taking 5 tablespoons. Now we have to mix them both together. Try to break the lumps, guys, and once you mix it really well, the color and the texture of the besan will change. It should look something like this. This is perfect. Now let's place it in the microwave. This LG microwave has a auto cook preset for making besan laddu. All you have to do is press the kids and dairy delight button option thrice, and we will select 3-2 for making besan laddu. Now press select button so that you can select the quantity. You can make more or less as you desire. Here I am making 200 grams. Now once you click on the start button, the microwave will do its magic of cooking the besan evenly and perfectly. After a few minutes, the microwave will beep. Now we will stop it, take the bowl out carefully and stir this besan and the ghee really well, guys. Try to break the lumps if any. Here you can see this looks good. Now we will quickly place it back in the microwave and then press on the start button. After a moment, it should beep again. We will stop the microwave, take the bowl out carefully and stir this besan and ghee again. Make sure nothing is stuck to the bowl. You can see how this is getting light and aromatic, isn't it? We are good for now. Finally, we will place it inside the microwave and press on the start button. Now the besan will get ready in just a few minutes. The time is up, microwave has done its job. Let's take it out and you can see our besan is perfectly done. It is a light golden hue to it. Now we have to cool it a little, so you can leave it as it is or you can spread it into a large plate or a parat like this one. The besan is warm now. Let's make the laddus. First we will add a few ingredients. Here I have got some nuts, almonds and pistachios, guys. Along with that, to flavor it, here I am taking about half a teaspoon of elaichi powder, and we will also add the sugar. So this is 100 grams of powdered sugar. Everything is in. Now get your hands in and mix it really well. Make sure to combine the besan and sugar. It should look something like this. You can see the texture and the color has changed. Now for the binding, we will add ghee. Here I am taking 2 tablespoons of melted ghee. Mix it really well and it will bring the binding that we need for making the laddus. Here you can see this looks good. So now we will take a little bit out from it and shape them into round laddus and roll them like this in your hands so that you get a smooth shiny finish. So with this recipe, you will be able to make 10 to 15 laddus. Finally, to garnish, I am touching them with a little bit of nuts, and here our homemade easy to make besan ke laddu are ready. Let me show you the texture. Looks amazing, isn't it? So how was the recipe, guys? Do share your feedback. Everyone at my home loves these laddus and even I love making them because making them in a microwave is so easy. There is no constant stirring required and there is no risk of burning the besan as well. That's all for today. I hope to see you soon with one more recipe. Bye guys, take care, happy cooking.